Welcome to National Care Academy.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Pa. Good morning to all.
Good morning.
Good morning, Kanna. Today we learn about the ratio and proportion, a remaining section. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Ratio and proportion. In previous class, just recall what is mean by ratio.
Ma'am, to compare two quantities.
Yeah, Kanna. Very good. Super. Ratio means just compare the quantities. Just compare two quantities. That is the ratio. Okay, Kanna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. So ratio denoted by the symbol is equal to. You see
Yes.
the symbol? This is equal to or ratio. Okay, Kana?
Okay, ma'am.
Now students are see this topic. Nothing but ratio means just compare the two quantities. Okay, ma? And then denote the symbol ratio. Simply we say that
Okay.
compare two quantities. Okay, ma. Next. Here, give the question. Just you find the answer. Let's try. Find the ratio in cost of jeans pant. Look at the picture given below. Here, two pictures are given. One jeans pant is 1500 and another one is 2100. Yeah. Can you see the picture, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. How to find the ratio? Given the two quantities. Yeah. Yeah, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Others, are you hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pa. Suppose you have any doubt, you ask me, I will explain clearly, ma. Okay? Okay, Kana.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Find the ratio in cost of jeans pant. Here, given the jeans pant, two different cost. Okay? So, compare the two quantities. First one is 1500. Okay? We find the ratio. So, that's why I write the ratio symbol. Okay, ma? And then, second quantity, 2100. Yeah, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Here the ratio order. You can write the first order and then simplify. So just simplify the ratio. Here, just simplify anyone. $1,500.
Ma'am,
21,
15 and 21.
15 and 21. Here, Kana,
Ma'am,
we simplest.
3 5s are 7. Ma'am, we can simplify it. 5
Yes,
is 7, ma'am.
5 is to 7. Okay, Kana. We just divide into which table?
3 tables and 100 tables.
First, we divide 100 tables and then we divide
3 tables, ma'am.
3 tables. So here we find the simplest term 5 is to 7. Okay, Kanna? Are you clear? New students, just look at the sum. You understand this problem, Kanna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pa. From this question, given two quantities here, so that's why I take the two quantities, just compare the ratio symbol. Okay, ma? Otherwise, I simplify the step. Just divide the 100 table. So, answer is 15, 21, and then divide the 3 table. Here we get 5:7. Here 5:7, there is no common multiples. So, that's why this is the simplest form. Okay, Kana? Ma, can you hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Okay. Next, equivalent ratio. Equivalent ratio. Anyone say what is mean by equivalent ratio, Kana? In previous class, I will teach the equivalent ratio. Just remember.
Multiples of that number, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Once again.
Multiples of that number.
That means same number. Yeah, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice try, ma. Okay, super. Make the same comparison of number. You will take the same number. That means you can take 3. So you can multiple or divide into the 3. You compare the same number in the ratio. Okay, Kana? For example, 2:1. I will take 3. So just multiple into 3 in the same between 2 ratios. That's why we get into 2 3s are 6. Is to 1 3 is 3. Okay, Kana? This is the equivalent ratio. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Next, match the equivalent ratio. Here I give the 2 columns. First one is ratio 1 and ratio 2. This is the simplest form of this first ratio form. Okay, Kana? Now you can just match the ratios, Kana. Who willing to solve this problem?
Ma'am.
Yes, Kana, tell.
Ma'am, I found for the first one.
Oh, super. Please tell me.
Ma'am, for 5 is 15. It is 1 is 5. 1 is 3.
1:3. We match the first one. Yeah, correct. 1:3. Super. First, we divide the table is. First one, we divide the table. Which table you can divide?
Ma'am, in 5 table.
Very good, Kana. Okay. So, we just divide the 5 table. That's why
Ma'am,
came 1:3. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, for second one answer is for in column 2 is first one, ma'am, for second one.
2:3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, this also divide the table. Table you can take, Kana.
What, ma'am?
Which table you can divide the number? 12 ratio 18.
Ma'am, by 4 tables.
Okay, Kana. You can take 4 table. Okay, any other say this is correct?
Ma'am, I found for the third one. No, ma'am. It should be 6.
Kana, second one is correct or not?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Just explain.
HCF would be 6.
Enna, Kana?
Ma'am, the HCF would be. Other than we can do it. Ma'am, other than we can do it like ma'am.
Yes, pa.
First by 2 tables, then by 3 tables.
Kana, just a minute, pa. One by one, you can say. So that's why first.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I found for the third one, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. First, I will ask which table you can divide the ratio. 12:18. Which one? Which table?
6, ma'am.
Very good, Kana. 6 table, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
6 2s are 12. Okay, Kana. So, second one is 2:3. Okay, Kana.
Yes, ma'am.
First one is 1:3. Okay. Next, you can find it 21 is to 45.
Ma'am, it is 3:5.
Ma'am, it is 3:2.
Okay. Who said 3 is to 5, Kana?
Yes, ma'am, 3:5.
Okay, Kana, that is a correct answer. 3 is to 5. You can divide 27 is to 45 in 3 tables. Yeah, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And I can say
Yes, tell me, Papa.
Ma'am, we can divide it in 9 table.
Okay, Kana. 3 table or 9 table. Okay, Kana.
Ma'am, we can divide in 3 table or 9 table, ma'am. Both table will be divisible.
Yes. Yes, correct. Okay, Kana. So, here the answer is 3 is to 5. Okay, Kana. And then fourth one. Anyone find this answer?
And 20 is 23.
Ma'am, 20 is to 23.
Okay, Kana. Both of you super. Nice try. 20 is to 23. Yeah, correct? And then,
Yes, ma'am.
now you see,
Last
Last
one is
term.
3:2.
3 is to
3:2.
52. Oh.
Okay, Kana. Okay. So last one is 3 is to 2. Now I arrange first one is 1 is to 3 and then second one is 2 is to 3 and then third one is 3 is to 5 and then fourth one is 20 is to 23. Yeah, right? This is
Yes,
correct
ma'am.
or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kana.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
you are
Correct,
clear
ma'am.
in the ratio, equivalent ratio. You are clear the topic, Kana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Next, I can
Yes, ma'am.
do the new topic. Okay. Now I move to new topic.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Here, dividing a quantity. Okay. This topic is dividing a quantity.
Balaji.
Kana, please mute your. Now I explain. So mute your voice. Okay, ma. Dividing a quantity. What is mean by a quantity, Kana? Any idea?
Ma'am, quantity means
Ma'am, amount of substance, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Very good. Amount of substance. You can
substance.
take which amount? That is a question. Yeah, right? So here,
Ma'am, or we can tell like
yes, Kana.
ma'am, you asked quantity, no, ma'am?
Quantity. Okay, Kana. Just I move the topic.
Ma'am, we can tell it like a minimum number of material or something like things we carry or we have.
Okay, Kana. You can try, but the correct answer is amount of substance.
Apples are in a barrel, like that we can tell, no, ma'am, like it is barrel of quantity.
Okay, Kana. That means the amount of, you can compare the quantities. Okay, Kana. Now you are clear. That means amount of substance you take and compare the quantities means just you compare the amount. Okay, Kana. Just I say dividing a quantity. Two quantities can be compared only if they are same unit. Okay. Here we tell two quantities compared only if they are in same unit. What is mean by unit, Kana?
Ma'am,
What, ma'am?
kilometer, meter, liter, milliliter, and
Nice, Kana.
Ma'am, what
Super.
you ask?
What is mean by unit?
Ma'am, unit means like we will tell kilometer, kiloliter.
Okay, Kana. Super. Okay,
Milliliter,
both of you nice
milliliter.
try. So unit means kilometer or meter or liter, milliliter. Okay, that is a quantity also. Okay, Kana. Here I given the sum to solve this problem. Here given the quantity is 600 ml. Here given the only one quantity. So, okay, Kana? From this sum. Now 600 ml is a quantity. You know this? 600 ml is a quantity. So we compare this quantity from this ratio sum. Okay, Kana? Here I say the quantities compared on the same unit. So here only one quantity is given here between the two ratio. That's why I will take the same units. Okay, Kana? Here divide the juice 600 ml in the ratio 2:1 between Keerthan and Kiran. Okay. Here two friends are share his juice in the ratio 2:1. Okay.
ma'am, 400 ml is to 200 ml, ma'am.
Kana, that is a book back question. Here I write the questions. Okay, Kana? Here
Okay.
I will modify the questions. Okay. You just try the questions because you are more intelligent students. Yeah, right? All are intelligent students. Yeah. You can do the simple problems. Okay. Kana, can you hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Definitely you solve the difficult sum also. Yeah, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Okay. Here I can give 600 ml. Okay. Your book bag given in 400 ml maybe. Yeah, correct? Here I take the question 600 ml, Kana. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Just solve this. Divide the juice 600 ml in the ratio 2:1 between Keerthan and Kiran. Here two friends are arrived sharing her juice 600 ml between the ratio of 2:1. Okay, Kana.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma.
ma'am, I told the answer 400 ml is to 200 ml, ma'am.
You told the answer, ah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Okay, okay. Okay, pa, super. 400 ml is to?
200 ml, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. In ratio form, we can simplify
Ma'am, we
them.
can divide
Okay?
in 200 tables.
Okay, Kana. Okay, okay. Just now I explained for the new students, okay? Okay, Kana. I will explain. Here, in the ratio 2:1. So the total ratio is
2:1.
so we add the number 2 plus 1 is
3.
3. Okay. Here Keerthan part is 2. Okay. Keerthan part is 2
Yes, ma'am.
divided by the total part. So that's why I write divided by 3. Okay, Kana?
Yes,
Into
ma'am.
600 ml we can split into two friends. Yeah, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's why I multiple 600, Kana. Okay. Here, just simplify the term.
Ma'am, 400 will come, ma'am, answer.
Okay, Kana. Just explain the steps, Kana. Steps also explain because the
Yes,
new
ma'am.
know the
3 by 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. 200 will come, and 2 into 200 is equal to 400.
Okay, Kana, super. Very good, nice. So, answer is 400 ml for Keerthan. Yeah, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. And then Keerthan shared 1 parts. Yeah, Kana? Keerthan shared 1 parts. So, we write 1 divided by total parts.
1 by 3 into 600.
Okay, Kana. Here the answer is
into 3.
okay, Kana. Just simplify 3 and
200. 200, ma'am.
200. Okay, Kana. Very good. Nice. All are
Ma'am,
tried.
it will come like 4 is to 2. 4 or 400 is to 2.
Okay, Kana. Here we say 400 ml in Keerthan share and 200 ml is Kiran share. Yeah, right?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
total is 600 games here. Okay, Kana, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Question will ask between Keerthan and Kiran, dividing juice ml only. So that's why we will stop 400 ml and 200 ml, Kana.
Okay, ma'am.
Let's simplify the step because given question is divide only, dividing the sharing only. So that's why I stop the step 400 ml, 200 ml. Okay, Kana? Any doubt from this question?
Ma'am, no doubts, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. All are clear?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Kana. We will see the another problem. Here, given find the ratio of 800 gram to 560 gram. Here, given unit is gram. All are know this? Given unit is
Ma'am, your screen is not visible, ma'am.
not visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute, Kana. 1 minute. You cannot see the question, pa?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can see the question.
You can see the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. All others are see the question, Kana. You know the screen?
Now it's clear, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Okay. Okay. Find the ratio of 800 gram to 560 gram. Here, given question is unit is gram. That means G, denoted by G. All I know about the gram means a G. Yeah, right? Kana, gram simplest form is G. Yeah, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
Kana.
ma'am.
Here, given the two quantities are same units. So, 800 gram to 560 gram. So, same units. That's why I can simplify the problem. Okay, Kana? In ratio
Yes,
form. So, 800 is to 560 gram. Yeah, right? So, just solve the problem.
Ma'am, 10 is to 7, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. 10 is to 7.
7.
Very good. Okay, Kana. How to simplify them? Just explain me.
Ma'am, the last 2 zeros will get cancelled, ma'am.
Very
And then
good,
in
Kana.
8 table, 80 will come 10 times and 56 will come
Yes,
7
ma'am.
times.
In 8 table, 8 tens are 80 and 56 will be divisible.
56 is 7 times
7,
arise.
8 sevens are 56.
Very good, Kana. So here we know the answer 10 is to 7. Here the simplest form you cannot write the units. Okay, Kana? You cannot write the unit here. See the sum. Here given question is same units, but the simplest form does not have a unit, Kana. Okay? In ratio,
Okay, ma'am.
we find the simplest form. You cannot write the simplest form in units. Okay, Kana? Question given the same units or different units. You can simplify the question. You cannot write the units. Okay, Kana? You cannot write the units. That means grams. Okay, Kana? Okay. Here, we move the another sum, Kana.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Suppose you have doubt. If you ask me, I will explain clearly, Kana. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Here another question. What is the ratio of 30 minutes to 3 hours? Here the given units are same, Kana.
No, ma'am.
Okay, Kana, very good. Given units are not same because 30 minutes to 3 hours. Yeah, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Here we move into the same units first step. Okay. First you write minute or hours. You can change minutes or hours. Here I will take to change into minutes, Kana. The hour change into minutes. 1
Ma'am,
hour.
1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 3 hour is equal to 180 minutes, ma'am.
Very good, Kana. Super. 1 hour equal to how many minutes, Kana?
60 minutes, ma'am.
60 minutes, Kana. Very good. Nice. Keep it up. And then 3 hours. So we multiple the minutes into 3. So that's why the answer is
180 minutes.
180 minutes. Very good, Kana. 3 hours equal to 180 minutes. Yeah, right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Here we find
Yes,
the
ma'am.
same units. So this is the 30 minutes I take into 30 minutes also. 3 hours we take into 180 minutes. Okay, Kana? So here the ratio form. So just we divide the ratio into simplest form here. How to divide?
Ma'am, 1:6, ma'am.
1:6. Very good.
Yes,
You can.
ma'am. 1:6.
Okay, Kana. You just explain that
Ma'am,
answer.
last zeros will get cancelled in 3
Okay,
tables.
Kana.
1 times 3 and 6 times 18, ma'am.
1 times in 3 and 6 times in 18. Very good, Kana. You can simplify the 3 tables. Yeah, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Here I ask a question from here we write the units, Kana.
No, ma'am, he's not right.
Okay, Kana. Super. Because simplest form does not have a units. Okay. All are understand this? Okay, Kana. So this is the step. You can change into 3 hours, just 180 minutes. So that's why 180 minutes. So that's why 30 is to 180. So the answer is 1:6 is the ratio. Okay, Kana? Okay, ma. I move the sun. Another sum.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Anyone read the question, ma?
Ma'am, I can read.
Super, Kana. Read, pa.
Ravi walks 6 km in an hour while
Or 1 minute, pa. That means 6 kilometer. Okay, that is a unit. Okay, you read
okay, ma'am.
kilometer. Okay,
Okay,
Kana.
ma'am.
You carry on.
In an hour while Roshan walks 4 kilometers in an hour. What is the ratio of the distance covered by ratio to the distance covered by Roshan?
Very good, Kana. Super. Okay. Now I read the question. Ravi walks 6 kilometer in an hour, while Roshan walks 4 kilometer in an hour. What is the ratio of the distance covered by the ratio to the distance covered by Roshan here? Okay, Kana. First we covered the distance. in Ravi. Okay, Kana? Ravi and then covered by Roshan. Okay, Kana?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Here, the given units are same or different, Kana?
Same, ma'am.
Very good. Same. Because 6 kilometer here given. Here also kilometer given. So that's why same units. So kilometer. And then hours also same, Kana. Hours into hours. Okay. So units are same. Here we take units one. Here we take the distance. Yeah, right. 6 kilometer ratio of 4 kilometer. So this, we simplify the term. You get into the ratio. How many?
Ma'am,
Distance?
3:2.
3 is to 2. You can divide into the 2 table. Just yes, Kana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Here distance covered by Roshan only. How many distance covered by Roshan only, Kana?
Ma'am, Roshan covers ma'am, that is 2 kilometers.
Very good, Kana. Because here we ask second term. Okay.
Yes,
First term refers to the Ravi and then second term refers to the Roshan. Okay, Kana?
yes,
Are you
ma'am.
clear? In first term, we refer the Ravi. So that's why we write 6 is to 4. That means the 4 covers to Roshan. Simplest form is 3 is to 2. So the ratio of Ravi is 3 kilometers cover and the Roshan is 2 kilometers is
2
covered.
kilometers. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Good.
Ma'am,
Yes, Martel.
ma'am, if Ravi walks 6 kilometers in 2 hours while Roshan walks 4 kilometers in 1 hour, like that question is given, means for Ravi we have to take 1 hour or 2 hours, ma'am.
Very good, Kana. I get the expected question from you. Okay. Very good. Nice question you ask. All are here the question, Kana? Kana, please
Yes.
tell me the question again, Kana.
Ma'am, Ravi walks 6 kilometers in 2 hours while
2 hours.
Roshan, yes, ma'am. While Roshan walks 4 kilometers in 1 hour, means how we want to take the ratio.
So Roshan takes 1 horse. You are right? Okay,
Yes,
Kana.
ma'am.
Here we take a same hours, so we take the normal ratio term. Okay, but here we say different horse. Yeah, right. That means you take the, remember the formula, distance formula, Kana? Distance equal to
Time into speed, ma'am.
very good, Kana. Distance equal to time into speed. Okay. Here given the distance and time. So
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
find the speed. Okay, Kana?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that's why D divided by T. You can find the speed. Okay, Kana?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Here, now I change into the hours only. Okay, Kana? That
Ma'am,
means
by hour
1 minute.
there, 1 hour there is 60 minutes, ma'am. We can divide it by 60 minutes, ma'am. Distance by hour.
Okay, Kana, you try, nice try, but I can say here the units are same, hours and hours. You cannot change the units. You will change only the ratios only. Yes, Kana?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Here the distance is 6 divided by the time is here the 2 hours, here 1 hours. So total hour is 2 plus 1, 3 hours. Yeah, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Here 2 plus 1 is 3 hours. Here we write 6 kilometer. That's why I write 6 kilometer and then total is 3. So we can divide 3 into which hour to find the Ravi? In 6 kilometers he covered 2. Yeah, right?
Yes, ma'am.
2 hours. So you can write into 2 multiples. Now you clear, Kana? Here the distance is 6 kilometer and then hours, total hours is 3 hours. Ravi takes only 2 hours. That's why I multiple into 2. Okay, Kana?
Okay, ma'am.
All are clear about this step, Kana? Okay, Kana.
Yes.
Here,
ma'am.
6 to sir
12,
12.
ma'am.
divided by 3. So
4,
we
ma'am.
simplify the step 4. 4 is to 1. Okay? Okay, Kana?
4 is to 4, ma'am.
4 is to
4, ma'am.
sorry, Kana. I just asked 12 divided by 3.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So that's why 4 is to 1. Okay, Kana? Are you clear? 4 is
Yes,
to
ma'am.
1. So Ravi covers 4 kilometers in one. In shared hours is 1 hours. We take into the 4 kilometers and Roshan takes 4 kilometers. So next we write 4. That means the distance divided by total hours 3 into share in 1 hours. Yeah, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Roshan cover a hours 1 hours, walk in 4 kilometers. So we write 4 kilometer into 1 hour. Okay, Kana? By dividing part is total parts. That's why I will write 3. Okay, Kana? All are clear this topic? Clear the step?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pa. Okay. And then just simplify. 1 4 is 4 divided by 3. Yeah, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
write the ratio form 4:3. Okay,
Yes,
Kana?
ma'am.
Okay. Now the answer is 4 is to 1 and 4 is to 3. We cover the distance 4 kilometers and 4 kilometers in different times. Here we take into 2 hours. Here we take into 1 hours. Okay, Kana?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All are clear about this sum? Any doubts?
No doubt, ma'am.
No,
Okay, Kana.
ma'am.
First, we take the distance in upper part, okay, 6 kilometer. Then total hours we refer. So 2 plus 1. We take 2 hours here, here 1. So 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So divided by 3 into how many hours Ravi only takes. So we multiple into 2. Just simplify the term. You get into the answer. Okay, Kana? Ravi only covers which kilometer and which time. Okay, Kana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pa.
Ma'am,
Yes, ask ma.
ma'am, Ravi walks 2 hours, ma'am. Roshan walks
Okay.
1 hour, means that 2 hour we want to change into 1 hour, ma'am.
Nothing. That means 2 hour plus 1 hour. We take into total hour 3 hour. Okay, Kana? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Ravi takes only 2 hours. So that's why I multiple into 2. 6 divided by 3. You cannot understand? 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Ravi takes 6 kilometer. Okay, Kana?
Yes, ma'am.
Here we cover the separate distance also find. Here we find separate distance of Ravi and Roshan. Okay, Kana? So that's why I take into 6 kilometer, Kana. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Hour is 2 hours. You say that 2 hours. Yeah, right?
Yes, ma'am.
2 hours. So that means I multiple 2. The total hours is 3. So I divide the total hours. Okay, Kana?
Yes, ma'am.
So just simplify. Sorry. Just simplify the step. So here 6 to 12 divided by 3. Yeah, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This step is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Just divide the 3 table. 4 3s are 12. 1 3s are 3.
ma'am.
So the ratio is 4:1. Okay, Kana.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is the distance covered by Ravi. Yeah, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. And then Roshan walks 4 hours. Yeah, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Distance covered by 4 divided by how many hours? 2 members are take 2 plus 1. So total is 3. So that's why I divide 3. Okay, Kana?
Yes, ma'am.
Into Roshan, how many hours covered? 1 hours. Yeah, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is 1. Now you simplify 1 4s are 4 divided by 3. Yeah, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that means 4:3. Now you simplify the step. You get the ratio 4:3.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you clear Ravi covers 4:1 and then Roshan covers 4:3.
Ma'am, we no need to calculate the hours, no, ma'am. They asked only distance. So 4:4 we won't write, ma'am.
We Kana, you say you ask the question hours. Okay, that's why I need the second term, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
I calculate first 1 minute. So this is the first you find the distance only. So you simplify this step. Here we calculate the time only. 4:3 Kana. Here we calculate time only. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's why this is the ratio 1:3 hours. Taking the difference between Ravi and Roshan Kana.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you are first we find the distance. Here you ask the time only. That means a hour. So we find the ratio and take the ratio from 1:3. Ravi covers 1 hours and then difference of Roshan covers 3 hours to find the 6 kilometer and 4 kilometers. Okay, Kana?
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes,
just find the hours only here. Compare the ratio of distance. Okay, Kana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you clear the sum.
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Any other doubts?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Suppose you have doubt, you can say again and again I explain the sum. Okay, Kana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we move the another question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1 minute. Okay. I give a homework sum for you. This is the homework sum. Just we noted the sum and solve next class. Okay, Kana? Now the time is 5:55. Okay. We will see the next class. Okay. Here.
Ma'am,
1 minute. Same.
ma'am, in the pizza, how many slices are there?
You can calculate the picture. Look at this picture.
Okay, ma'am.
You see the picture, Kana? All are see the picture, piece of picture.
Yes, ma'am.
How many parts are divided here?
7.
7. Suppose the picture is not given, just you calculate the 2 parts. 3 plus 4.
Sum of 2 parts.
Very good. Sum of 2 parts. Yeah, correct. Okay, Kana. Now I read the question. Tomorrow you find the answer. Meenu get 3 parts and Sheila get into 4 parts in whole pizza. Okay. What is the ratio of Meena and Sheila share to whole pizza? Okay, Kana.
Yes, ma'am.
Just try the question. Okay. Yesterday I give the question. Homework question. Yeah, right.
Yes, ma'am.
All are find the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kanna. Say just find the answer.
What, ma'am?
Yesterday I gave the missing term question also. Yeah, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So find the missing term of 14 divided by 21. 14 divided by 21 equal to unknown value. Yeah, here the upper part is unknown value. So that's why I write the question mark. Divided by 3 equal to 6 divided by unknown value. So that's why I write the question mark. Okay, Gana. Anyone find the answer, ma?
Ma'am, 2, ma'am.
Here is the 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kana, nice. And then 6 divided by which term come? Which number came here? 6
Ma'am,
divided
9,
by
ma'am.
9. Very good, super. Both of you, nice try. Here the answer is 2 and 9.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, Kana. 14 divided by 21 equal to divided by 3 equal to 6 divided by unknown number. Okay. Here we divide which table, Kana? You can divide the 21.
7
Ma'am,
table.
7 3s are 21.
Very good, pass. 7 3s are 21. So we divide the 7 table. You get the answer 3. Okay. Denominator, you divide the 7. So numerator also divided by
7. Ma'am, 2.
So that's why the answer is 2. Okay, Kana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then last term, 2 divided by 3 is the equivalent ratio of 6 divided by unknown number. So here, which number you can multiple into 2, you get into the 6.
Ma'am, 9. 9, ma'am, 9.
Okay,
Two
Kana,
threes
answer
are
9.
3 3
3 2s are 6. Okay, Kana.
6.
So denominator also multiple into 3. Okay. Okay, Kana. Nice try. Okay. Next class, we discuss about this question. Meenu and Sheila question. Okay, Kana? Okay. Today we clear about these topics. Dividing a quantity. Today only one topic we teach. Only I teach dividing a quantity topic only. Okay, Kana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just recall the topic. We will see the next class. Okay, Kana? Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, Kana.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Bye, ma. Have a nice day.
ஓகேம்மா என் பண்ணிக்கலாமாம்மா
பண்ணிக்கலாம், ma'am.
அம்மா நீங்க தான் ஹோஸ்டா இருக்கீங்க என் பண்ணிக்கலாமா
Okay, ma'am. Recording cut பண்ணிக்கலாம்.